Let us see the nutrition in bacteria. How do they obtain the nutrients? What are the process or what are the types of bacteria depending on the nutrition? Okay. Now, depending on nutrition, we know that living things take nutrition in two forms. Either they synthesize their own food or they depend on others for their food, right? Based on that, we have studied autotrophic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition in living things. Now, similarly comes with bacteria. Bacteria can be autotrophs or heterotrophs depending on the way they are taking in their nutrition, depending on the mode through which they take in their nutrients. Okay, now autotrophs, we all know they synthesize their own food. So the bacteria which are able to synthesize their own food or they synthesize their food are known as autotrophs. For example, if they synthesize their food in the presence of light, they are the photoautotrophs. They are called the photoautotrophs because they synthesize their food in presence of light. Now, when they synthesize their food with the help of inorganic compounds, okay, when they synthesize their food with the help of inorganic compounds like sulfur, they are known as chemoautotrophs. Got it? They synthesize their food with help of inorganic compounds such as sulfur. They are known as chemoautotrophs. So two types in autotrophs, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Now coming to heterotrophs. Now they are the bacteria which derive nutrition from other sources. Okay, they derive or obtain their nutrition from other sources. They depend on others for their nutrition. Now, if they derive their nutrition from, say, body of living, then they are called as parasites because they derive their nutrition in the form of sugars and proteins. Okay, either from living or from dead plants and animals. Now, if they obtain their nutrition from living hosts, they are called parasites, and if they obtain their nutrition from dead and decaying matter, they are called saprotrophs. So parasites and saprotrophs will come under heterotrophs if they derive the organic compounds, if they derive their nutrition from made of organic compounds such as sugars and proteins from living host, they are parasites. And if they derive sugars and proteins from dead and decaying matter, they are called saprotrophs. So these are the bacteria based on the type of nutrition or the way of nutrition